Hello everyone. Welcome back to the another episode of the Project Idea series. So in this video we are going to develop a new project is known as the Android tour recommendation application. In this the user can get the personalized travel guide. So let's move to the introduction part. So in introduction we can see we have provided the name like Android tour recommendation app. So the objective of creating this app is to provide the personalized tool recommendation for the travelers based on their preferences and budgets. And the third one, like the target users, the travelers are looking to guided tours and the unique experiences in their destination cities. So they are the basic target audience for us. And let's move to the problem statement. So the current challenges faced by the users is basically overwhelming number of tour options available online, so difficulty in finding tours and much specific interests and budgets, lack of personalized recommendation and guidance. And what is the solution we are going to propose is the tour recommendation app is creates a list tour and a tailored to the user preferences, travel dates and the budgets, offering to the hassle free way to plan the activities. So what is the key feature that we are going to provide? We are going to create the user profile and preferences. So a user can create the profile and input their travel dates, destination, budgets and the interests. So like example like adventure, cultural, historical. So they can save the favorite tour to create the wish list. And secondly, we are going to create the tour recommendation for the AI powered algorithm and suggest the tour based on the user preferences and the reviews. And secondly, we are going to filter the option by the category by using the price range and duration and the user ratings. And thirdly, we are going to tour detail and bookings, details of the description and the tours, including the itinerary and highlights what's included. And secondly, we are going to create the direct booking option with the secure payment gateway, user reviews and the rating for each tours. And fourthly, we are going to create the personalized itineraries, like user can create the custom itineraries by combining the multiple tour suggestions by the nearby attractions and activities. This one we are going to add the notification and updates. The user can receive the alerts for the price drops and the special offers and the tour travel reminder and the booking confirmation as well. So let's move to the implementation plan, like how we can implement this application. So firstly, we are going to create the UI UX design. So in design, an intuitive and a visual appealing interface, focus on the ease of the navigation and the user friendly tour search filter. And secondly, we are going to develop the backend. Okay, so we have a backend team as well. So in this, we are going to set up the robust database storing the tour data and user profiles and booking information. So develop the APIs for fetching tour details, processing payments and managing user accounts. Thirdly, we are going to create the front end by using the Android stick and Kotlin for developing the app front end. We are going to integrate the map services to showing the tour location as well. And thirdly, we are going to use the AI and machine learning for it. Like we are going to implement the recommendation algorithm for personalized tour and tour suggestion. And we are going to use the machine learning to improve the recommendation based on the user feedback and the data analysis. Thirdly, we are going to testing and deployment. We are going to compressive testing for the usability, security and the performance. And finally, we are deploying this application to the Google Play Store and monitor the user feedback for the continuous improvement. So what is the benefit of this application and the future scope? So benefits is here for traveler. Travelers are getting the personalized and the curated tour recommendation, easy booking process and convenient travel planning. And secondly, the travel tour operator increase the visibility of and the booking through the targeted recommendation. For developers, the experience in AI integration, user experience design and the mobile app development. What is the future enhancement we are going to create? We are going to integrate the travel agencies, tour operators and the broader range of the options. And secondly, we are adding the features like virtual tour, AR experiences and the travel guides. And thirdly, we are expanding to include the local event, dining recommendations, shopping tips and all. So these are the basic feature enhancement and these are the basic benefits that for creating this application. So thank you. So if you wanted to continue with this idea or you have any other idea, so you can just drop a mail to the contact@codersarts.com. So we will definitely try to help you. So or if you need any further assistance in the assignment and the coding project, so you can also drop a mail for it. So thank you everyone.